Hi guys, this is Hannah and I'm from ProCandleSupply.com. Today I'm going to show you a really quick video on how to make the tops of your candles look perfect. Our 464 soy wax is great in that if you pour it at a cool temperature, the tops of the candles will oftentimes look really nice without any help. However, there are times that we have to lend a helping hand and give our candles a little bit of love. There are a couple ways to make the tops of your candles look perfect. Some double pour, but our preferred way is to use a tool called a heat gun. This trusty tool can be found at any hardware store. You can find one at Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight. They're pretty inexpensive and they're super helpful. Now I'm going to show you how we go about heat gunning our candles. Here we have a candle that we've poured. As you can see, the top is slightly cratered. The wax is pulled away from the center wick some. We can fix that. After you've poured your candles, make sure they set at least 24 hours. Once they're completely cooled and set, you can take your heat gun and you can turn it on and you'll carefully heat gun the top of your candle. We're gonna do that now. Be careful not to spend too long in one spot as it can cause the wax to splatter some. You just want to slightly melt the top of the candle so that it fills in some of the craters and has a nice level melted top. Now that it's melted, you'll go ahead and let this cool. You don't have to wait quite as long for this to cool, typically less than an hour. And once it's cooled, you can then cut your wick like normal and then your candle should look more like this one. I know you can't see too well, but as you can see, the candle has a nice, perfect, smooth top. And that's it. Super easy, right? I hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions at all, be sure to comment below or contact us directly. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on making your own candles and soap. Thanks everyone.